Good morning, students. So today we are going to study a new story, our first story, and the name of the story is Clever Kina. Okay, what I will do first, I will read the story for you. Long, long ago, there lived a clever bird, Kina. One hot day, she was thirsty. She flew here and there in search of water. Soon she saw a pot. She flew down to the pot. She could see some water in it. Kina tried to push her head into the pot to reach the water. The water was at the bottom of the pot. Kina had an idea. She saw some pebbles. She started dropping the pebbles into the pot one by one. Soon the water came up in the pot. Kina drank the water and flew away happily. Now we have अब हमने क्या किया हमने जो स्टोरी को क्या किया रीड किया. Now we will try and understand the story. Okay, now there is a bird whose name is Kina. Okay, ये एक कीना है जो एक bird है and who is a clever bird. So we are going to talk about Kina in the story. Okay, so long ago there was a bird who lived and her name was what? Her name was Kina. Okay, ये bird का name क्या है? ये bird का name Kina है. Now if you see there is a sunny weather, यहाँ पे क्या है? Sun है. So when you know in the summer vacations, when you go out or when you are even at your home, तो आप बार बार पानी पीते हो. You are thirsty, right? In the similar way, this bird Kina is also very thirsty and she was in search of water. जब भी आपको प्यास लगती है तो आप क्या ढूंढते हो? You hunt for water, right? So in the similar way, long ago there was a bird whose name was Kina, and she was roaming in search of water. She was thirsty, okay, on one hot day. Fine. Then when she was flying, so she came across a pot. उसको क्या दिखा? उसे एक pot दिखा. Okay, there was pot and in that pot there was some water. Okay, ये pot में क्या था? पानी था. So what happened? Kina went near the pot. Okay, she went near the pot और उसने देखा कि ये pot में क्या है? ये pot में पानी है. Fine, there is a water in this pot. Then in the next picture, what it is trying to tell? In this picture, it is trying to tell अब इसमें पानी है, so definitely Kina will try to drink the water, right? So Kina ने क्या किया? अपना सर she tried to take her head, in the pot, okay, so that she could drink the water, right? उसने क्या किया? उसने अपना सर pot के अंदर डाला so that वो पानी पी सके. But the water was at the bottom. Water क्या था? नीचे था. Okay, pot के एकदम नीचे था and where her head could not reach, जहाँ पे उसका सर नहीं पहुँच सकता था. Fine. So what happened? Kina tried from her end but she could not drink the water since the water was at the bottom of the pot. Okay, पानी का था नीचे था pot के. तो कीना ने पानी पिया क्या? नहीं पिया. But she was very thirsty, so she have to find some idea. She has to find a way out, right? So what she did? So what Kina did? Kina saw some pebbles. Okay, pebbles क्या होते हैं? Stones होते हैं, right? So what she did? She found some pebbles, some stones, which was near the pot. And what she did? She found an idea wherein उसने क्या किया? उसने ये जो stones है, छोटे छोटे जो pebbles है, she started dropping these pebbles into the pot one by one. उसने क्या किया? एक एक करके ये pebbles क्या किया? Drop किया. किसमें? Pot में. Due to which what happened? The water, आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, यहाँ पे पानी दिख रहा है आपको. यहाँ पे इससे क्या हुआ? जब उसने पेबल्स, अभी आपको दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे पेबल्स बहुत कम है ना, बिकॉज मोस्टली ऑल द पेबल्स उसने क्या किया? उसने पानी पॉट में डाल दिया. ड्यू टू विच व्हाट हैपेंड? ड्यू टू विच द वाटर लेवल जो नीचे था वो ऊपर आ गया. ओके, द वाटर रेज, द वाटर लेवल व्हाट हैपेंड? इट रेज्ड. वाटर क्या हो गया? ऊपर आ गया मटके के. ड्यू टू विच Kina was able to drink water. So what she did, she drank the water and then she flew away happily. Okay, she flew away happily. Okay, so Kina found an idea to drink the water. And what was the idea? उसने क्या use किया? उसने pebbles use किए, stones use किए. What she did from the pebbles? She started dropping the pebbles into the pot one by one, due to which the water level raised, and then she drank the water and flew away happily. Okay, again I will, let's do this story again in short. Okay, again I will explain it to you, this poem, this story. So the name of the story is Clever Kina. Kaun hai Kina? Kina is this bird. Okay, so long ago there was a bird whose name was Kina. Okay, there was a bird who lived and her name was Kina. One day, one hot day, she was very thirsty and she was searching for water. Then she came across a pot. Usko kya dekha? She could see a pot, and she also saw that there was water in the pot, but the water was at the bottom of the pot. Okay, water kha tha, water बहुत नीचे था pot के. So what happened, since she was thirsty, okay, वो thirsty थी, तो उसने क्या किया, उसने she tried to put her head inside the water, inside the pot, so that she could drink the water. उसने क्या किया, उसने अपना head पॉट के अंदर डाला, सो दैट वो पानी पी सके. बट पानी, शी कुड नॉट ड्रिंक द वाटर. उसने पानी पिया क्या? नहीं पिया, बिकॉज उसे नहीं, बिकॉज द वाटर वॉज सो डाउन दैट शी कुड नॉट रीच द वाटर. ओके, देन what she thought of an idea. What idea? क्या आइडिया मिला उसे? What she did, she started throwing the pebbles, dropping the pebbles, dropping the stones also, you can tell, into the pot one by one. Now when she was doing this, the water level in the pot started rising. Now if you see over here, then what happened, she could see the water and then she drank the water and then she flew away happily. Okay, so this Kina was very clever. Okay, this Kina was very clever. Now in this task, what you have to do, ड्रॉ पेबल्स इन द पॉट. आपको क्या करना है, आपको ये पॉट में क्या करना है, पेबल्स ड्रॉ करना है. एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू डू द सेम थिंग एट योर होम. वॉट यू कैन डू इज़ दैट यू कैन टेक अ कंटेनर. आप एक ट्रांसपेरेंट कप या तो ग्लास ले लो, जिसमें आप वाटर लेवल थोड़ा पानी भर के रखो, बट आधा ही पानी भर के रखो. एंड देन व्हाट यू डू, यू ट्राई टू थ्रो द स्टोन्स इन द वाटर. ओके, आप क्या करो, आप जो स्टोन्स होते हैं ना, उसको वो पॉट के अंदर डालो, मीन्स वो ग्लास या तो कप के अंदर डालो. ना व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट ड्रॉपिंग इट, आप देखोगे जो पानी का लेवल है वो क्या है, वो ऊपर ऊपर आ रहा है. सो दिस इज एन एक्सपेरिमेंट दैट यू हैव टू डू एट होम एंड सेंड अ वीडियो ऑफ इट टू मी. ओके, थैंक यू.